So last class discussed about the different type of canal system in porifera. So now the next phylum, third phylum, very important for examination point of view. That is the Cnidaria. So Cnidaria is also called as Coelenterata. Coelenterata or Cnidaria. Today discussing about the general characters of Cnidaria. What characters? General characters of Cnidaria. So generally the Cnidarians are the first diploblastic animal. All the Cnidarians are diploblastic animals. What plastic? Diploblastic animals. That means two. So in these diploblastic animal, two important germ layers are present. That is ectoderm, endoderm. So in between these two layers, the outer layer is called as ectoderm, inner layer is called as endoderm. In between these two layers, the gelatinous-like substance is there. It is called as mesoglias. Non-cellular gelatinous-like substance is present. It is called as mesoglia. So here, how many germ layers are there? Two germ layers are present. So that two germ layer containing animals generally described as diploblastic animals. So that's why almost all the Cnidarians are diploblastic animals. So generally these all are marine forms. All are aquatic form. Major and live in the marine form. A little bit quantity of animal can able to live in the freshwater also. It means majorly marine, minor freshwater. Almost all aquatic. Terrestrial animals are not there, only purely aquatic animal. More are live in the marine, some are live in the freshwater form. So these are, some are solitary, some are colonial forms, some are solitary and some are colonial forms. So here a special kind of system is present, that is the polymerization. That is polymorphism. Polymorphism. What is polymorphism? Poly meaning a single individual can able to present in two or more than the two different forms containing situation we are called polymorphism. Morphism, structure, morphological structure. So generally a single individual can able to appear in more than the two forms is called as polymorphism. Generally in the cylindrite two different forms are there. So that is the polyp, medusa. Polyp, medusa. These two polyp and medusa come alternately one after other. Sexual, asexually they can come one after other. That's why. So this is called alternative generation. So asexual reproduction is through the sexual forms are formed, through the sexual reproduction, asexual form. So like the sexual, asexual, both are come alternately in the life history of especially cylindrite. That's why, so alternative generation also expressed in the cylindra. Polymorphism means it is a special character. Poly meaning a single individual can able to appear in more than two forms is called as polymorphism. So here generally two different forms are there. One is the polyp, other is medusa. These two polyp and medusa come one after other in the life history of any individual of the cylindrite. So that's why polymorphism also very important character, especially in the wherein cylindrite. The first tissue grade organisms are included in the wherein cylindrite. First tissue grade. Generally you know, so we are discussing protozoans are single cell animals. Poriferans are multicellular organisms, but what happened? Tissues are not formed. True here, especially in the cylindrite, true tissues are formed. First, true tissues formed animals are included in poriferans. So that's why these are the tissue grade. First tissue grade organisms are included in the porifera. So then after here, cylindrites are exhibit in the two form already you know express. So generally head is absent. These are looks like a plant-like structure. Sedentary animal, almost all the sedentary animal body is attached with any one substratum. So generally sedentary animal. So marine form, some are freshwater form. Head is not present. So generally a single hole, that is the mouth, and until the mouth can able to use for the collecting of the food material and excretion also takes place. Means single hole can able to acting as a mouth and anus. It is also a special character in the cylindrite. Single hole. Mouth can able to use for the collecting of the food material and send out the undigested food is also sending through the mouth only. So that's why special kind of anus is not there. So that's why single hole mouth can able to dual function is doing. So one is the collecting of the food material, other is the excretion or the undigested food also. It means anus, mouth both are acting as the same holes. It is acting as the existing and entrance takes place. So it is also a special kind of character in the wherein cylindrical. So generally there is no intracellular digestion and extracellular digestion takes place. Digestive system is intracellular, extracellular type of digestion takes place. There is no special kind of respiratory organ in the cylindrate. There is no in the special kind of excretory organs also not present. The surface of the animal body, so nitrogen waste sent outside of the animal body through the diffusion. Oxygen and carbon dioxide sent outside of the animal body. Transportation gases also exchange takes place through the diffusion through the surface of the animal body. So like that that's why there is no special kind of excretory system, there is no special kind of respiratory system, respiratory organs also not present. So and also nerve system also, recently nerve system also, first nervous system is formed in the cylindrical animal. So generally neurons are present in the form of triangle in shape. So first sense organs also form in the wherein cylindrate, that the statocyst like that sense organs also present in the cylindrical animal. Statocyst is the sense organ first formed in the animal kingdom in cylindrate. So these are, and also some important other general characters. So usually almost all reproduction takes place by sexually, asexually. Asexual reproduction is carried out by budding. Sexual reproduction takes place by the formation of the gamete. So here indirect development takes place, especially in the cylindrate. Indirect development means, so indirect development where the larva, any individual life history, the larva stage is formed. Such kind of animal development is called as indirect development. In some animal, directly from after fertilization, through the animal body, new young ones are formed. It means without larva stage containing embryonic development is called as direct development. So here indirect development takes place. It means larva stage is present. Especially cylindrical larva is called as granular larva is present. So that's why indirect development is also takes place. So generally these animals, sedentary animals already discussed. So asexual, sexual, some little bit of exoskeletal system is present in the exo or endoskeletal system also present in the cylindrical. So these are some important general characters. Once again I am reminding approximately 10 to 15 general characters are there. First one, all are aquatic form. All the cylindricates are aquatic form. More are marine, some are freshwater form. All are sedentary animals only. They are attached anyone substratum, plant-like bodies are there, not looks like not animal-like type. So all are aquatic, sedentary animal, colonial or solitary mode of life is living. So and also head is absent completely. Polymorphism is also very expressing polymorphism. A single individual can appear in more than two forms. Polymorphism also appear. So exoskeleton or endoskeleton system is present. So that's why coral formation also more takes place in cylindrical animals only. Head is absent generally. Only single hole can able to act. Mouth can able to acting as a collecting of the food material as well as sending of the undigested food also. Anus, mouth both are not differentiated is not there. Or single hole can able to act as a mouth as well as anus. It is a special character. So and also nervous system also first development is takes place. There is no special kind of excretory organ. There is no special kind of respiratory organs. So respiration and excretion takes place by the outer surface of the animal body. So generally almost all the first nervous system is formed. So indirect development takes place. Planular larva is present. So more are hermaphrodites. So hermaphrodites both sex are present in the single individual. Such kind of bisexual animals, generally they are called as bisexual animal. So asexual reproduction takes place. Sexual reproduction takes place by the formation of gametes. Asexual reproduction takes place by the budding. So and also here, so polymorphism. So these are some important character expressed by the specialist cylindrate. So Cnidaria animals is also called as cylindrate. Here why it is called as cylindron. The first body cavity is form in these animals only. On that basis we are called as coelenteron. Nidaria means generally for the defense purpose on the surface of the animal body of coelenterate, so nidoblasts are present. So that's why they are called as nidaria. Nidoblast containing animals are included in nidaria. Why they are called nidaria? Nidoblast sticking cells like body cells are present. So that's why defense and offense when that takes place at the time, these nidoblasts are useful for the collecting of the food measure, escaping of the enemies. So that's why nidoblast containing and where they are present, nidoblast containing animals are included in the nidaria. So it is also called as coelenterate. So body cavity of the coelenterate body cavity of the nidaria is called as coelenteron. So that's why coelenteron containing animals are also called as coelenterate. So these are the first diploblastic animal. Which are the first diploblastic animal? Coelenterate the first diploblastic animal. So two germ layers are present, outer layer, inner layer. Outer layer is called as ectoderm, inner layer is called as endoderm. In between these two layers, what happened here? In between the two layers, so gelatinous like that substance is present, non-cellular gelatinous like substance is present. So these are some important general character about the coelenterate. 5 important characters are there. Once again I am reminding. So there is sedentrate animal, polymorphism expressing animal, alternative generation expressing animal. So and also next sedentary, polymorphism, exoendoskeleton system is a coral formation also takes place. So these are 5. That is the 5: sedentary, diploblastic, polymorphism. So and also exoendoskeleton system, secreting animals, coral formation also takes place in animals are included in coelenterate. So these are some important general characters about the coelenterate.